Whether for performance, compliance, or operational goals, tracking changes is a fundamental requirement for protecting your Active Directory investment. To protect the environment, Blackbird audits all changes to Active Directory in real time and stores these events in a central SQL server. Once the events are stored, users can search the database for audit information. In addition to allowing users to create their own custom searches, Blackbird also provides a library of commonly requested searches. While most customers find that the built-in views satisfy the majority of their auditing needs, there are always cases where a more specific and refined view is required to solve a specific request or goal. For example, some customers have wanted to track all changes made by a specific administrator, to track all changes recently made to specific attributes that may have been affected by a script or business process, to track all changes for an organization unit administrator that affected their subtree within Active Directory, to respond to specific requests made by compliance officers or auditors. Whatever the specific requirement, the flexibility of Blackbird Auditor makes the job easy. To create an audit view, administrator first names the view and then sets the criteria to target the specific events of interest. This includes who is making the change. Perhaps you only want to target changes made by specific users or delegated administrators, or target changes being made against certain domain controllers, or only changes being made from specific workstations. What objects and types of operations are being performed against the objects? For example, your organization may have a policy that whenever an organizational unit is deleted, a notification event be sent to the help desk and administrative staff where the event occurs. Perhaps you only want to target changes within a certain organizational unit or subtree. When? This parameter indicates how far back in the real-time change log do you want to search. For audit requirements, this is typically 30 to 60 days. To isolate operational errors, this may be as refined as a couple of hours or minutes. Let's create a quick Active Directory modification policy. We will target changes made by Bob Smith, where he made changes to the department attribute on user objects, anywhere in the domain within the last 7 days. Once the parameters are set and the view saved, the administrator simply needs to select the new view, right-click it, and select Open. Here, we now see all changes made by Bob Smith in the last 7 days, where he changed the department attribute on user objects. As you can see, creating very specific views, even at the attribute level, with Blackbird is extremely simple and efficient. Simple, efficient, and powerful real-time auditing and reporting from a single console. Blackbird Auditor is part of the Blackbird Management Suite, a fully integrated end-to-end solution that seamlessly guides administrators through the entire identity and access lifecycle, from real-time auditing and compliance reporting to protection and recovery.